Have you ever found yourself stuck in a cycle of laziness and procrastination? You want to get things done, but somehow you just can't push yourself to take action. You think, I'll do it later, but later never comes. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that you could break this cycle in just 5 seconds? This simple technique is called the 5-second rule, and it can change your life. Today, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can use it to overcome laziness and procrastination, starting right now. Understanding the 5-second rule. The 5-second rule was developed by Mel Robbins, a renowned author and speaker. Here's how it works. The moment you feel an instinct to take action towards a goal, you have just 5 seconds to act before your brain talks you out of it. Whenever you get an idea or feel the urge to do something important, like exercising, studying, or making a phone call, you have about 5 seconds to act before your brain starts making excuses. If you don't move quickly, your mind will find ways to talk you out of it, saying things like, I'm too tired, I'll do it later, or what if I fail? The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to take action. But if you count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and move immediately, you stop overthinking and get things done before doubt takes over. Your brain is designed to keep you safe and comfortable. When you hesitate for too long, it starts coming up with reasons why you shouldn't do something. It's too hard. I'll do it later. I'm too tired. And before you know it, till then, you might have lost momentum. That's how procrastination wins. But the 5-second rule interrupts this pattern. How to use the 5-second. Step 1. Recognize the moment of hesitation. Every time you feel an urge to do something important, whether it's waking up early, exercising, starting an assignment, or making a phone call, you will feel a slight hesitation. That's your moment to act. Step 2. Count backward from 5. As soon as you recognize hesitation, start counting backward from 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. This countdown shifts your focus from excuses to action. It gives your brain a deadline, and deadlines force us to take action. And step 3, take immediate action. Once you hit 1, move. Get out of bed, pick up the phone, open that document. Just take that first small step. This movement tells your brain that you're in control. Why this works? This works because it bypasses the part of your brain that is responsible for overthinking and fear. By counting down and acting immediately, you interrupt self-doubt, fear, and laziness before they take over. And the best part is, the more you do this, the easier it gets. Your brain starts rewiring itself to take action automatically. Real-life examples. Example 1, waking up early. You want to wake up early, but your bed is just too comfortable. Instead of snoozing, say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, and jump out of bed before your brain convinces you otherwise. Example 2, exercising. You know you should work out, but you don't feel like it. Instead of waiting for motivation, count down and move. Put on your shoes, step outside, and start walking. Example 3, starting a task. You need to start an assignment, but your brain tells you it's too hard. Don't overthink. Count down, open the document, and type 1 sentence. That's it! You have already started? Now let's talk about overcoming some common challenges. You might think, what if I don't feel motivated, even after starting the task? The truth is, motivation is unreliable. You will never feel ready. The 5-second rule trains you to take action before you feel ready, and that's the secret to success. But what if I fail? Failure is just a stepping stone. Every time you take action, you build confidence. The more you use the 5-second rule, the stronger your self-discipline becomes. We need to learn to take control of your life. The 5-second rule is simple, but it is powerful. It helps you break free from laziness and procrastination, and allows you to take control of your actions and build the life you want. So, all the things you have been putting off till date, whatever it is, don't think about it. Just count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Take action right now. Your future self will thank you. Before we wrap up, I have a small request for you. My goal is to reach 500 subscribers by the end of February, and I can't do it without your support. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Also, drop a comment below and let me know. What's one thing you're going to take action on using the 5-second rule? Let's build a community of action takers together. Thank you.